Okay, all right. Welcome back. So my name is Will, aka C to the YRIL, and you're welcome to the Cloud Journey HQ. All right. So today I'm going to talk about one very important topic when it comes to cloud computing. But then if you're just joining this YouTube channel, I'd like you to smash the subscribe button. You can also give a thumbs up and you can also share this video because this is one very important topic in cloud computing. And today's topic is actually virtual machine skill set. So what exactly do you think is virtual machine skill set? So let's dive right into this. So when it comes to cloud computing, the virtual machine, what the definition of cloud computing is all about on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with a pricing model. So what are the pricing model? When we talk about pricing models, we're talking about the compute resource, we're talking about the networking, we're talking about database, and we're talking about storage. So these are the major resources that you can actually get off from the internet. All right, so now the next thing we are going to talk about is the virtual machine skill set, VMSS. So the VMSS is actually one very, very important resource that we have not just only in Azure, Microsoft Azure, but we also have that in GCP and we also have that in AWS. So that's why they call it the Elastic Cloud Compute. But in the Microsoft Azure, we call it the virtual machine skill set. All right, so in the virtual machine skill set, how these operate is that, have you ever wondered on a Black Friday, you see so many people trying to buy your product online. And by so doing, you notice that despite the fact a lot of people are trying to buy those things on the Black Friday, your website still didn't crash. What is the magic behind this? So thanks to virtual machine skill set. Now, initially, you see some issues where people want to write exams. For example, they're trying to access a particular portal for a particular day, and that website crash due to the traffic trying to come in. But in this case, with virtual machine skill set, you could actually do what they call scaling in and scaling out. Now, when we come to scaling in and scaling out, you could actually increase your compute power when it comes to compute resource, when it comes to memory, and you can have all your traffic still managed at that same time. So virtual machine skill set is one of the greatest things in sliced bread when it comes to deployment in the cloud. So a lot of websites today use this technology. Now, you have just one website that is running your server, maybe your website, for example. So when it gets to, let's say, 75%, and it notices that so many people are trying to access this particular web page, it increases based on instance. So the instance could be compute power, could be memory, and it could actually scale up or scale down. So with this technology, you don't even need to pay for higher compute resource or higher memory resource, but you only get to pay for them on demand. That is when you actually need them the most. And the moment you actually have less traffic coming to your website, automatically the instance deletes all by itself. So this allows you not to pay for what you don't use. So that's why the cloud computing, as I said earlier, is a pay-as-you-go model, which is a pay-as-you-go pricing model. So this is just a simple briefing on how virtual machine skill set work. I'm going to show us a walkthrough later on in the lab session how we could deploy a virtual machine skill set and how this resource can increase its instance during high peak period of a percentage of say 70% or 80%, and also can delete its instance when the percentage is lower. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll show you in the next video how you can deploy a virtual machine skill set and also how you can see this in practical, how this instance increases all by themselves. Thank you again for watching, and please don't forget to like and share this video. You can also hit the subscribe button down below, and if you have any question, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer your question. Thank you, and bye for now.